channel. If you're still riding with us, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Today we're going to be saying goodbyes to pumpkins and the leaves, and we're going to say hello to a bit of twinkle and Christmas cheer. Fall was cozy and beautiful, but now it's time to bring in the sparkle, bring in the bling, bring in the cheer. So I'm going to be unboxing these that I picked up from Temu. Flowers that we're going to use to set in that little vase. Of course, I had something like this last time. This is 3D. They ripped me off with this one. I was ripped off, but it looks good when it's small, but it does look good when you put it into the little space. So this is what that is looking like. It does look like 3D from a distance. Now that I'm looking at it on camera, it looks like 3D. That's beautiful. Okay, then we picked up this cushion cover that we're gonna use to trade out for that rectangular one we had in the fall video. I also picked up these two that I'm gonna be using. Now this caught me by surprise. I thought this was green. It turns out it's black and white, but we'll use that for something else. I got this cute little reindeer. And then how gorgeous are these? They're little, but they're pretty gorgeous. All right, so of course, if you're going to decorate a space, you have to clean. So I'm doing some dusting here on the lower part, on the cupboard itself. I'm wiping it down, and then we are going to decorate. Now, this garland I had years ago. I want to say I got this from Miss Lay. So years ago, I got this garland, and I think this will look pretty here. So I'm going to be using command strips. These are small command strips that I had from a project that I did in my last classroom. So I simply rip off the little paper on the back of the tape, and then these should come off, leaving no residue on your wall. Proverbs 13:4 reminds us, the desires of the diligent are fully satisfied. Just like this verse, we're putting in effort to make this space magical for my students. This orange container for a red one, and then I had this garland, and I thought, okay, I'm not done with this little green garland as yet, so let's just add this to it. We're gonna also add some snowflakes and little ornaments. Sticking them in random places until I've used them all and it looks full. And that's what that is looking like. So then I was torn. I wasn't sure what color lights to turn on. I tried green, I tried red, I tried white, but I guess I'll just switch them out as the days go by. So we're fixing the little 3D thingies here, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the finish look like. I had that little ball, but I can't hang things from the ceiling, so it's just gonna have to stay on there. So this is the finish.
watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.